now we've locked the person out, and we have to give him the 14 days to...
Before he remove his junk.
Yeah, to remove his junk. And technically, just for those of you listening, once we took possession of the house, we could have done whatever we wanted with his belongings, but we would have had to hold on to it for 14 days. So we could put it in a storage unit.
Move it, store it, then dispose it.
Take it to Jeff's house.
Yeah, throw it on my lawn.
So what we decided to do is just leave it in the house for 14 days.
That's right. Yeah, it was cheaper that way.
Exactly. And on that 15th day, then we have the legal right to do what we want with it. We can dispose of it as garbage, donate it to the DI, or wherever we want. And so it sat there for 14 days, and in this meantime, the guy was breaking back into that dog door. Yeah, every night.
Every night. Even during the remodel, in the first 2 weeks of the remodel.
That's right.
And we had to call a cop saying this guy's trespassing on our house and damaging things to get back in.
Exactly. So let's talk about now that 15th day. We have a dumpster arrive. We have the legal ability at this point to dispose of the stuff.
Correct.
And you hire a family.
My friend.
Yeah, your friend.
Yeah, lived down the street.
Who lived on the same block.
Been doing garbage and junk removal for me for years.
Yes.
Great dude. Great.
Yes.
Yeah. One of my pocket people that, like, one of my go-to cheap haul-off guys.
Yes. So he...
Big Tongan.
Yes. Yeah. Which is perfect.
Perfect. I like my big Tongans.
Yes.
Tony, if you're out there listening, you're the bomb.
Yeah. Exactly. And it was a perfect individual to have us help us, because long and behold, who shows up during this process, right?
Yeah.
Claiming, why are we throwing his stuff away? So I end up, neither of us are there, of course.
Right.
Tony's there emptying the house, putting everything in, and I got a call from the police that says, hey, Mr. Strachey, we've got a gentleman here saying that you're throwing away his stuff. And then I basically explained to him how we had the
rights to do this.
The rights to do it and the lockout. And I actually text him an image of the court order that we had the ability to do it. And at that point, he says, okay, that's all I need. And he stayed on the phone. He's like, okay, sir, Tony. And he was talking to Tony. He's like, sir, you can keep doing what you're doing. Sir, unfortunately, this is no longer your belongings. If you want to take it out of the trash, you're more than welcome to. Which he did. He started doing it. But I mean, he had, if you think about it, he had 2-3 months from the time that we purchased it through the whole eviction process to the whole lockout process to take that stuff.
Yeah.
But he literally...
He had 2.5 months.
2.5 months.
To get his stuff out and move and find a new place.
And he finally was doing it the day that Tony was throwing it into the trash. He was hurrying, loading up his pickup truck.
Yeah. And Tony came with his Tongan sons.
Yes. So that's why I'm saying it was very perfect to have that. It definitely didn't escalate,
And anything worse.
Yeah.